Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at CryptoGains. We have a lot to cover today, so let's dive straight in. First of all, we're discussing Bitcoin HODL waves, and basically the message here or the key takeaway is that accumulating of coins in the age brackets of 1 month to 3 months old, as well as 3 months to 6 months old, is intensifying during this bullish market, and basically holders are continuing to accumulate coins, suggesting that there is a lot of health behind this movement of Bitcoin higher. In addition to that, what we can observe is that when it comes to the entity adjusted liveliness, which, just to explain for you, is basically a metric that looks at macro activity on chain, and it compares cumulative on-chain activity to cumulative lifespan of the protocol. But basically what we're observing is that after a very strong accumulation, as indicated by this downtrend, all the way until Bitcoin reached 11.5k, and after that there was strong distribution during the uptrend. This strong distribution means that significantly more coins were destroyed than accumulated, which means that old hands were spending heavily. And now, interestingly, actually, we're looking into a normalization of this trend, which suggests with that sideways movement that there is balanced accumulation and destruction, suggesting that hodling is increasing, especially relative to the preceding uptrend. And this, combined with the fact that thanks to the formation of a bullish flag in Bitcoin, is giving us price target of approximately 71,000, gives us very strong confidence into the uptrend of Bitcoin. So let's take a look how you can actually trade some of these insights. First of all, beginning with Bitcoin versus Tether on the 1 hour chart. 57,900 is the pivotal point. Over that level, I'll be looking for long positions. We targeted 58,400, which is the nearest resistance level, and then 59,000. This is supported by bullish setup in the MACD indicator, as well as relative strength index readings above 50. Conversely, if we are below that 57,900 level, it could be declining down to the nearest support at 57,570, and then further way down to 57,100. But other interesting developments come from Ripple, which is going for heavy expansion in Asia with M&A activity amid the legal battle in the US. So let's take a look on how you can trade Ripple based on some of these positive developments in the crypto world. And in Ripple, 0.57 is the pivotal point. We can see that it's acting as support, so over 0.57, buying with targets at 0.58 and 0.59 on a more longer term basis. Conversely, if we break below 0.57, we could be declining down to the nearest support, 0.56, and then 0.55. Now let's take a look at the second biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum, and see what opportunities it presents looking on the 1 hour chart. Now, to me personally, there is fairly robust support area around 1,790. So as long as we're above that level, buying with a target at 1,840 and 1,860. However, below 1,790, we have the nearest support around 1,760 and 107,030. In addition to that, we had this insightful interview from Cardano's boss, which explains why Africa will leapfrog the rest of the world in blockchain adoption, and then explains about the ambitious plans of Cardano for expanding in that region. So definitely very strong long-term potential for Cardano, but let's take a look at the more short-term chart and how you can trade that. Here we have plotted my latest idea, which suggested buying Cardano with a target 1.2. You can see that you would have hit that critical level with a very good profit. So to me, 1.2 now is the pivotal level, and the nearest take profit target is going to be around the 1.26 level. And conversely, we can see that we have fairly robust support forming around the 1.17 level, which is going to be your target if we're below 1.2 and you initiate a short position in Cardano. But at the moment, more upside prevails with target 1.26 for Cardano. And the final idea for today comes from Tezos versus Tether. In Tezos, we have 4.6 as our pivotal level. It's actually long-term resistance, which was broken with the first take profit target around 4.8 and then at 5. Conversely, if we are unable to sustain that level and we break below the 4.6, we could be declining down to 4.5 and 4.3 on the short side. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And very importantly, join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles, trading ideas to expand your crypto knowledge. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the StormGain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.